Hey Troubleholics, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I know I've been a little MIA, and it's not because I want to. I know I sound like a broken record already, but I promise it's not because I've wanted to. Even though YouTube is like not the place where I get the most views anymore, but there has been a lot that I've wanted to share with you guys and I haven't been able to. My whole household was sick all of the month of November. After Halloween, it just went downhill after that. So I'm so sorry. We ended up with the adenovirus and it sucked. I don't wish that on anyone, and if you have had it, I'm sorry. It sucks so bad. So bad. But I'm still not like 100%, but I'm here to do a video for you guys, a review, because Merit Beauty was nice enough to send me products to review for you guys. So that's what today's video is going to be on. I'm not going to keep blabbing right now in the intro here, so we're going to go straight into the video, and yeah, let's get into the video. So here's product number one. From what I see, it's called Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. So it's a serum for the face. I love serums. The only thing is, sometimes I don't like applying like 80 different serums to the face. I feel like it's so unnecessary to put so many serums on the face. And then I have sensitive skin to, top it all off. Some serums or some other products for the face will make me break out or just like aggravate my face, and it just doesn't go so well. But I'm hoping that this goes or agrees with my skin. So far it has 2% niacinamide is what I see on here, which is for brightening. 4 types of hyaluronic acid for deep hydration, which who doesn't need hydration? I mean, it doesn't matter what type of skin you have, you need hydration. Caffeine-rich cacao. Sorry. So caffeine-rich cacao seed extract, and that is for plumping the skin. Ooh, I'm already loving it. And then it has Japanese gold thread root, which is for soothing and antioxidant protection. And then it says it's pH balanced, so that's for a healthy skin barrier. So far, I'm loving it. 100% of the people who tried this said it was non-irritating. 100% said their skin was instantly soothed. 97% of people said their skin felt instantly moisturized. And 91% of people who tried this product said their skin looked instantly more radiant. So, like I said before, their packaging is so beautiful. It's so like, how do I say? I don't know. It's very plain, but it's still like, I love it. So I'm going to open this box up and take the product out. So here is the product. I love their little gold in their packaging. I'm obsessed with that. It like makes the product look so good. It's high quality. The only thing about this is that your fingerprints do like stay on there. My fingerprints on there now. Pretty much I have to shake this because obviously it's like a little, I don't know, it looks a little weird. But you can tell it's separated. So there's like some stuff here. Then we have like little bubbles, and then it's like clear, like it looks like water. I gotta shake it well, and then I have to massage 2 to 3 pumps into my skin. So let's shake, because you gotta shake well. So it's shaken up. I think it's ready. So the cap comes off, and 2 to 3 pumps. I don't know. So usually when you want to put a serum on your face, you do not want to do it while it's like dry. My face is clean, but it is dry. So I am going to wet it a little bit. So 2 to 3 pumps. We're going to do 1, 2, 3. Wow. So it's very liquidy, you guys. When you're applying this, be careful. Like, it's all over my pants. But it doesn't feel bad on my skin. It actually feels moisturizing. I'm trying to get all the product on my skin because I got some. I need some around here because this was hella dry around my nose here. So that's on. And then after I apply a serum I like to wait a little bit for it to dry before I go ahead and apply the next product. The next product obviously I'm going to be applying is moisturizer or any other like product that's for my face before my makeup application. So I'm going to do that off camera just because it is not a Merit Beauty product. But so far, this product is good. It did not burn my skin, which is a plus at all. And I have very sensitive skin, you guys. Like, I already had like little going on my face. That time of the month is coming, so I can't avoid that. But it did not burn my skin when I applied the serum, so that's a win in my book. Let's see how this works. I do want to keep trying this product like morning and then at night because I like to try products for like a week before I give like an honest complete review. So I'm gonna keep trying this out and see how it works for me. If it works for me, you're gonna hear me raving about it on my Instagram stories, even on TikTok, okay? So yeah, it says on here that it's best to put this on before or after moisturizer in the morning or twice a day. So I did this before my moisturizer just because I like to put other things before that. I'm wondering if you can mix this into your moisturizer just because it's so liquidy. That's the only thing about this. It's very runny, very liquidy. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, but it is what it is. Okay, so now that I have pretty much bronzer and everything on, the next thing we're going to be doing is blush. And this blush is a cream blush, but it's like a balm. This is called a Flush Balm, and look at the packaging once again. I'm obsessed with their packaging. All right, so the shade that I got is called Beverly Hills. This is what it looks like. I love shades like this because they're like my day-to-day type of blush. This blush, you just apply it to your cheeks like so. Apply it on this side. And then you can just blend it in with your fingers. And it'll look amazing. That's that side. And then this side. I really like this blush. I like the balm for the face. I'm telling you guys, like if you are new to makeup, you'll love this brand, especially if you're not ready to like do crazy things, you know what I mean, makeup wise, and you want to look, you know, just like natural. That's what this company pretty much goes for. They try to go for like the natural, no makeup look, and I think it's beautiful. I like my blush to be a little bit, but I mean, I could still put like a powder blush over this so that it can just be like chef's kiss, you know. I did use their bronzer as well. I didn't do it in the video because I do have a video that you guys can check out. I'm gonna have the little pop up here on the screen. You guys can check out my review on this bronzer. I used their brow product as well today just to keep it a little more Merit Beauty-ish. But yeah, their products are amazing. I've loved them. Every time that I'm just gonna do a quick like out the door mommy look or day-to-day look, I'm definitely reaching for their products a lot. So thank you, Merit Beauty, for sending me these products. I really appreciate it so much. You guys are amazing. So yeah, I really like the blush. I like the way everything's looking, very fresh, very like natural, glowy, because it does have like a little glow to it. I did not set any of the Merit Beauty products. This is how everything's gonna stay. I am gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of eyeshadow, a lip gloss, and I'll be right back. All right, so if you are still with me, I just wanna say thank you for sticking around and being a true supporter. I appreciate it so much. I know that I am on and off here a lot, so thank you. All right, so I did not put any eyeshadow on because I decided I wanted to keep it more of the natural look today. So this is gonna be my final look. And as you can see, you have the blush that is just like, okay, it's so pretty. Like I'm glowing from within. and that is so sexy. Just kidding. It is, but if you like makeup, you like makeup. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. Everything's beautiful. It's all beautiful. Except for when I don't have makeup on, I just don't feel beautiful because I be having some dark circles and all that stuff that comes with momhood. You know what I'm saying? My thoughts on these products is they're amazing. Again, if you are someone who don't like wearing foundation and all the other layers of things that, you know, us other makeup influencers love to wear, or even other makeup lovers, then you should look into this brand. They are amazing. Their products, everything I've tried, I've liked. The serum, like I said, I want to try it out a little bit more and see how it works because again, my skin is a little weird today. And so I can't give you like my full honest review. You know what I mean? But so far it has been good. Let me open it up because like there's no scent to their product. That's another thing that I've noticed from them. Their products have no scent. So if you're a person who hates products that have like all these perfumes in their products and scents, you're gonna love this brand because they don't use any scent in their products. Well, any of the products that I have, they have no scent. Even the bronzer, like my bronzer here, no scent. So if you have an issue with scents and you're sick of products or buying from brands that, you know, you like their product, but, you know, you just don't like the scent, then check them out. I really love this brand. I was a little skeptical at first, but let me tell you, I'm loving it. I'm loving their products. I'm loving the fact that it's all about your natural beauty. Like they really want people to show their not inner self, but their true beauty, or emphasize their natural beauty. There we go. To emphasize their natural beauty. And that's amazing to me. I love that about the brand. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful. Again, I will have a direct link down below where you guys can go ahead onto their website and pretty much browse around. Again, they sent me these for Black Friday because they were having a sale on this product, and obviously these, they were having a sale on their website for 25% off, which I think was amazing. But I didn't get my products in time to be able to review them and talk about Merit Beauty before Black Friday. So unfortunately my video is going up later, but you guys can still check out the brand. And if you see something like, try it out, I promise you, you will love the brand. Just give it a try. You do get free shipping with any order over $40, and you get a free bag with your first order. Any first order gets a free bag, which I think is amazing. And their bag is so cute. I love it. I have it somewhere. I don't know where I put it, but I do have it. I saved it because I love the color of it. Again, I will put the direct link down below to the website, and you can go ahead and check that out. All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am doing Vlogmas, so pretty much check that out. I'd appreciate it. Also, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification, because if you don't hit that bell, you will not get notified. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.